Hi foodie friends, I'm Renee and welcome to my Kudos Kitchen, where today we're going to be making another recipe in the series of can you make that in an air fryer? I've never tried it before, but today we're going to be trying to make fried eggs in an air fryer. It sounds like it would be something that would work. Air fryer, fried eggs, don't you think the two sound like they go together? I do, so let's give it a try. You'll notice I'm using this pan today. I've never used a pan before in my air fryer, but of course, because the air fryer is a basket with holes, it's not going to work very well for, cooking an egg. So what I have here is I have a rather, for lack of a better term, flimsy pan. It's not very sturdy. So, and you can buy these at the grocery store. You can even buy aluminum ones. They're relatively inexpensive, just disposable. So as I kind of took it and I bent it on the counter, just to get it to be able to fit into this round pan into this square fryer. It does actually fit quite nicely. It took a little fooling around, but I got it to fit quite nicely. I'm sure you can do the same thing. So I'm going to take a little bit of butter, and just like making it in a skillet on the stovetop, we're going to melt it in the fryer. So I'm going to pop that in, and it's set at 325, kind of a low temperature for this fryer today. And maybe we'll find out this is faster on the stovetop. I don't know. It's all an experiment. There's a big misconception about what an air fryer actually is. I found this out the other evening. Just because the word for this appliance is air fryer, it doesn't mean that the foods are always fried, and they're certainly not deep fat fried. What it actually is, it's just kind of like a convection oven. It's an air, the air circulates, the fan is in there, which speeds up the cooking process. And because it's in a small contained space, it's basically like a big convection oven in a small amount of space. I do spray things with a little bit of oil, and that's where the term frying comes in, but you don't have to do that. And it certainly doesn't mean that everything or anything is deep fat fried in an air fryer. It's just, for whatever reason, that's what they named this appliance. So the word fryer shouldn't scare you. I hope it doesn't. But we are doing a fried egg today. So, take it for what it's worth. Okay, our butter is melted. So I'll swirl it around the pan to evenly coat the bottom. And then I'm gonna crack in my 2 eggs. Just like on the stovetop. Okay, there's one. I like to break the yolks. I have a feeling that this is going to be an over hard fry, not something that would be like an over easy. Okay, so I break the yolks. Good bit of salt, fresh cracked pepper. I don't know if you can see them there. Because they're liquid, they're kind of slipping around the pan, but trust me, they're in there. They're both in there. So I'm going to pop them back into the air fryer. And the timer is set for about 10 minutes at 325. We'll check on them in a few minutes and see how they're doing. Low and slow is always the best way to cook eggs. Why do I want another appliance on my kitchen counter? I don't know, maybe you don't want another appliance on your kitchen counter. Maybe you don't have room for another appliance on your kitchen counter. I get it. I didn't think I wanted one either until I found out how versatile, just by playing around with it, how versatile this appliance is. It can take the place of a toaster oven, a small convection oven, the regular oven, especially in the summertime when you don't want your kitchen to be heated up because the heat outside, you just don't want that extra heat in the kitchen. That's another good reason for using an air fryer. I've seen some really ugly air fryers in my time, but I think this one looks quite attractive. I like the stainless steel. It's easy to clean. People ask me all the time, how hard is it to clean? It's not hard at all. You just, the basket and the holder of the basket that comes apart, and then you just rinse it out with soapy warm water. Let it air dry. You're good to go till next time. It's really quite easy. I use my air fryer, I'm going to say 5 times a week. I do a lot of vegetables in it. And if this works, I'll be doing a lot of eggs. Because I happen to love fried egg sandwiches. I can smell it now, so I'm gonna actually take a peek. Ooh, wow, that's interesting. Heck, that looks really good. Can you see it? They're not fully all the way, I don't think they're fully over hard cooked, but I think I'm happy with the way they are cooked right now, and they look pretty dang good. Pretty dang good. Let me put them on a plate and you can have a closer look. Okay. Wow, you guys. It works, and it worked well. Hopefully you can see. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself some toast, put a little cheese on them, and I'm going to have them as an egg sandwich for lunch. So can you make fried eggs in an air fryer? You bet. See, sign of approval. You bet you can, and it works really great too. So thanks for joining me. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and also hit that little bell ding for notifications, because I'm going to be continually doing these series of videos. Can you make that in an air fryer? It's pretty exciting. So anyways, my name is Renee. I'm from Kudos Kitchen by Renee.com. Please visit my website. This recipe method for making fried eggs in the air fryer will be on my website soon. So I hope you enjoyed it and have a delicious day. I'll see you soon. Bye.